G'day folks, it's the Motorrad Rider again. Today we're heading up to Advantage Motorcycles to get the 1 year service done on my R1200GS Adventure. It's not K's, it's here. So I just thought I'd take you up there with me, see how we go. And I'll also, if I get permission from the dealer principal, I'll walk you through the store as well, through the dealership, and see how that goes. It's going to be not a particularly long video, so yeah, stay tuned and we'll get to it. Well folks, I didn't put you through the trip up because it is very boring. So yeah, we're here at Advantage Motorcycles. It all looks good, hasn't changed. So yeah, I'll catch up with you in a few minutes. I'm just going to go inside and say hello to the guys, and we'll be back with you. So stay tuned. Here we go. So this is the Honda part. There's bikes all over the place, so it's really good. It's a good dealership, there's plenty to choose from, and as we're walking through, you've got off-road dirt bike riding equipment there. And you've got a range of helmets there. So there's a lot in this store. So then we've got this is where you pick up your spare parts and things like that. It's normally manned, and then we come through. This is through to the BMW section. This is the most important section. So you've got Dragon gear, you've got some road riding, dry rider gear. It's a very nice used R1200 GSA. And we've got some BMW clothing, and then we've got the range of BMW bikes. So that's all there, and you've got nice 1250 HP there. And then we're walking through, and there's some Suzuki stuff here. So this is the Suzuki end of it. So the dealership looks after Suzuki, Honda and BMW Motorrad. So it's not a particularly large dealership, but it's got a lot of stock, and the people are really helpful in here. And the parts coverage is very good. Excellent, in fact. So go, and we're just going to head back out. I'll just take you back out, because as I say, it's not a long video. It's just something so that you can have a look and see what Advantage Motorcycles is, because a lot of people don't know that Advantage are actually Motorrad dealers, and or BMW Motorrad dealers I should say. So that will be just about it for this video. Just wait and pick the bike up when she's finished, and that will be it. Right, we've just picked the big girl up. I don't know whether you can see it, but we're riding in 40-degree temperature at the moment, so it's not cool. We just finished the service. just hot riding home, as I say. Had to get a little bit more done on the service than we'd hoped. Had to get the brake fluid changed because it was didn't pass the test, and had to get, I think it was 8 spokes on the front and 10 spokes on the rear retensioned. They checked for a recall, but apparently it wasn't a recall. It was, for some reason, the bike just developed the loose spokes, and it doesn't do off-road, it doesn't do any hard road work or anything like that. So it's probably something that you need to be aware of, is to make sure that you get the spokes checked on a service. It's apparently, well, obviously it's important, but the thing is they have to take the wheels off to do the spokes, because their wheels have to be rebalanced and all that sort of thing. So it adds about half an hour apparently to your service bill, but it's worth it. So just bear that one in mind. The brake fluid, even though I'd only done 3,000 Ks, it was 2 years since the bike was manufactured, so it failed the test, probably because of age. So that's another thing. A little bit unexpected, but the guys looked after me at Advantage, so it's all good. And she should be good for at least another 12 months. So there we have it. So if you get it, if you know, it's a little bit plain sailing, this video, a little bit simple, but look, if you got something out of it, that's fine. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe because it does all help. But I'm heading back to the Motorrad Rider base now to cool down, and I'll see you in the next video. So thanks very much for watching.